And welcome back to this channel, and today I want to walk you through how to show channel details like the pins and stuff about a channel or a chart by swiping right to left. Right now, if you open a chart and let's say you swipe right to left on a message, what it does is that it gives you the chance to reply the message. You can say reply, but I want you to show me details about the person I'm chatting with instead of the channel. So what I'll do is tap on the profile icon at the bottom, tap on it again, and then scroll the way down until you see chats and tap on chats. Then scroll down until you see gestures, swiping right to left, and I change it to this. Now when I swipe right to left, it's going to give me the chance to reply to message. Instead to give me a chance to see details about the person or the channel. So let's go back and see if that works. Let's go back to the person again that we're chatting with, or in this case your channel. Swipe right to left and look what happens. Instead of giving me a chance to reply, it gives me a chance to see the details about the person. You can see the person's members, media, pins, links and files, and more. Hope you found this video helpful.